Hi team, this side Chandrasekhar Tanapath here, and here you can able to see this is the second project that has stopwatch, right? So stopwatch test. So when you can able to see this is a complete demonstration. So this is my UI looks like here. I can able to, here you can see the stopwatch is there, and here is some timer is there. So how my application will work? So my application will be working on the two theme, that is you can see that is a white theme, and for our developers you all know that most of our developers are using dark mode. So I'm using dark mode facility. Here you can able to see when I clicking on this dark mode, you can see that the dark mode is applying, right? So yeah, so now when I clicking on the start, okay, so this is hour hand, this is minute hand, and this is second hand. So like that, so this is a 6 7, like this is going, and when I clicking on the stop, so it will stop that. Okay, so 10 will stop, and when I click again clicking on start, it will starting from 10 only, right? 10 11 12 like that only, so it's working like that. And when if I don't want, if it's starting from the interval like 0 0, so when I clicking on reset, it will starting from 0 0 0, totally starting, right? This one is that complete flow of stopwatch application. So how my application in the VS Code, I can show you that the code, how my code look like. So here it is the index.html file. I'm using HTML5, okay, and for CSS I'm using CSS3, and this is JavaScript. Script.js is my JavaScript file. Okay, so index.html you can able to see that what I'm using, one heading tag is there, one in the div tag only. Okay, in the div tag only, in the for hour hand I'm in a single div tag I'm creating for the hour hand, and for the minute hand I'm creating another div tag for the minute hand, another for second I'm using another div tag like this only. Okay, I'm using second 1 second 2 like that. Why? Because here you can able to see this is second 1, this is second 2, this is minute 1, this is minute 2, this is hour 1, this is hour 2, like that only. This is one. Okay, so first from starting onward, this is all are 0 0 like that only, and each thing like hour 1 means everyone has a class name as counter and having different ID, like here hour 2, hour 1, minute 1, minute 2, like that only, right? And here you can able to see that I'm creating 3 button, it is start button, stop button, reset button. Okay, there is one dark mode is there, the theme name is dark mode. Okay, so how this all things work, when I clicking on script.js, you can able to see that first thing is that when I clicking on black, so it's change means if it changes to white color, means if the dark mode is applying and if you want to change to the white mode, then it's a white thing is coming, the style dot color will be white. Okay, and for the means when I hovering that, it will change to the orange color like that. This one thing is using. Okay, it is light mode. When I clicking on changing to light mode, how it is, the style dot color to the black. Okay, background color is white, like that only. So I am using this here. From here you can able to see this is complete flow of changing the theme and all. Okay, so here is a complete demo. Okay, it's a complete demo of that how my application work like the time I work like. So here the increase function is there. Okay, this increase function is the work is increase function to increase that instance, increasing the interval. Okay, like so when this is the complete flow, and here there's a 3 function is there, one update time is there, stop time is there, and the set 0 time. Set 0 is used for the inner HTML I'm using to make all the content as 0. This is iterate. Inner HTML is called every count to 0. And for that stop interval, what thing I do using, I'm calling one clear interval. This clear interval work is that to stop that part, what the interval is going to stop that, and again when the time is start, he is starting from this only. Okay, and this is the update button. Update button is like update time means to start the timer. So is calling the set interval function. So set interval function is calling is taking 2 argument, increase and 1000 means per 1 second. Okay, so like that. This is the complete is a millisecond, right? So it's counting as one in each time. Okay, so this is the complete flow, and here you can see that this event listener are there, one update theme, update time, stop time, and set 0. Set 0 is for that resetting the timer, and here the stop is to stopping the timer, and here the starting the timer. So this is the overall project for the stopwatch application. I hope you like it. Thanks for giving me the opportunity.